everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rahul and I am so excited to kick off this new journey with you all. Starting today, I'll be posting short and beginners friendly videos on Python programming. It's a brand new year, so why not start with some brand new skills? Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there. Simple, powerful, and versatile. Whether you are a complete beginner or just brushing up your skills, this video will help you to build a strong foundation. So in this first video, we will start with the basics. Let's talk about what Python is, how to install it, and write your very first program. So what is Python? Python is a high-level and interpreted programming language, and it's known for its easy to read syntax, and it is widely used in web development, data science, and automation, and many more. As you might have heard, why this Python is much more trending because it's a user as well as machine friendly language which has its interpreter and compiler which tend to interpret the code and make it simple understandable for the human where we can easily use the simple syntax to implement the coding and to get the required output. As the trend is moving towards artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science, most of where we the most essential language which has been used is Python. Hence, Python has become much more user friendly in the recent industrial trend in the real time scenario. Hence, we try to adopt Python as a user-friendly language in various types of application. Installing the Python, so just download and install Python from the python.org and the IDs which is mentioned where we'll be using it as a notebook called. So there are several others. So I will be preferring as a VS Code, as a Visual Studio Code platform, or a PyCharm, or depend upon your compatibility, we can also go for Google Colab. But most of our project will be built on the VS Studio. Hence, we have used the VS Code for running the code and executing the code for our required app task. So once we install the Python, our code editor, the Python shell, and type this print hello world. So print is a function actually which tries to return the user input into the output results. So why not we try it on VS Code? Let's begin. So this is our Studio Code where we have created one folder with name of Python folder. Let's create first with the extension .py file. Hmm. Let's utilize the print function print. Whenever the baby comes to into earth existence, he tries to say hi. In similar kind of manner, the same our machine will also tend to behave. So when it tries to first call the message, so we'll be using the print function. Whenever we want to return any of the output result, we'll be using this print function mentioned in the quotes element, the message what we need to pass in the outcome. Let's run this program. Error is showing that existed. Just a second. Terminal. Hmm. Then file. Yeah. So here is the output what we have received in the terminal, that is hello world. Irrespective, we can also pass any of the output that we wanted. So print Hello, hello, system. Welcome to the knowledge of Python. Let's try it out this one. So we can see our output result has been resulted in the output section. That is, hello system. Welcome to the knowledge hub of Python. So that's it for today. So now you know what is Python, how to install it, and you have written a very first program. So in the next video, we will dive into variables and data type. To make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you.